Greetings, travel Ohana. Prepare for takeoff as we soar on an adventure to the Disneyland Resort in Anaheim, California. But here's the kicker. It's our kids' first time soaring through the skies, and the excitement is contagious. So come along with us as we bring you on a journey of magic, exploration, and maybe a few surprises along the way. So let's have a great big beautiful day and take off. We've made it to Tampa International Airport, about to head to the terminal, and I think the kids are excited. Anthony, how do you feel?
Excited more than anything, not gonna lie. I mean, I've never been on a plane before. This is a completely new experience for me, and I'm just excited to get going.
We've made it to our airside to get on our flight. We are flying United out of Tampa International, so we're on airside A. We decided to get a little bit of bite to eat for dinner because it is an evening flight and we won't be in LA for another 5 hours or so after we get on the plane. So we stopped at Ducky's, which is like a sports bar atmosphere, and we actually got our food already. Christy and I are sharing their Ybor Cuban wrap, which is of course popular here in the Tampa area. It comes with a side of house-made chips. Lorelai's getting one of her starters there. It's a pulled pork quesadilla, and she's enjoying that pico de gallo, right? She's enjoying that. And then over here, Anthony has got a buffalo chicken sandwich without the blue cheese because he doesn't like that. We got some ranch instead. And excuse the lips there, but he's definitely enjoying that sandwich, aren't you?
Yes.
This is
I am.
our last meal in Florida for a while.
Okay, so I have here the pulled pork quesadilla. Oh, and what I like about this is that they put all your like things that you want into on like little cups in the side, so it's not like right on there. So I have guacamole, sour cream, and pico de gallo. So we're gonna try this out. That's so good. The pork is nice and tender, and you have the perfect amount of melted cheese, and the combination is just fabulous.
So look on the inside there. Look at that. That looks really good. And then of course Anthony, I don't think there's much to say about his chicken sandwich. He's enjoying that. I haven't tried this pulled pork. I haven't tried this Cuban yet, but it looks really good too. All right, so take a look at that. All the yumminess inside of that Cuban. Looks really good. One of the first things I noticed in their Cuban wrap was the pickle, which with Cubans, the pickle is a necessity. It has a nice bite to it, crunch. The sourness of that pickle, the vinegary brininess of that pickle goes well with the fattiness of the pork that's inside of that Cuban wrap. Not a sandwich, which is great because it's not not chewy as the bread. I like the tortilla, really good and very enjoyable. Definitely something if you happen to be here in Tampa, Airside A, Ducky's. They also have a restaurant inside of Tampa as well. I'll post that link on the comments for you so you can take a look at it. But we're going to enjoy the rest of our meal and then get ready to get on our flight. We've made it to our gate, gate A9. There is our plane, just came in from LA as we head to LA. And the kiddos are pretty excited about that. Right, guys?
Yes.
You guys ready to get on your first flight?
Yes.
No.
No. But that's where we're going, on the way to LA. made it safely to Los Angeles International Airport, otherwise known as LAX. And let's see how our first-time flyers felt about that first flight experience. All right, Anthony, how was it?
I liked it a lot, actually. It was not nearly as bad as I thought it'd be. And it was just such a different and unique experience, and I really loved it altogether.
And how about Lorelai?
So that was long and fun. I don't know what about it, but it was just enjoyable. The seats were comfy, you had a good amount of leg room, and your flight was just enjoyable. The flight attendants were amazing, and the drinks and food and the constant watching the TV, my favorite part. And the views were just glorious. I overall loved it.
Now it's time for us to head to the Disneyland Resort, but we're gonna make one stop first. We wanna take you along with us. A staple while you're here in the LA area, or in California nonetheless. Let's go see what that's about. We have made it to the quintessential California diner hangout, In-N-Out Burger. Let's go on inside. So here in In-N-Out, it's pretty simple of a menu. You've got different beverages, you've got burgers, but it's really just a matter of double doubles, cheeseburgers, hamburgers, and french fries. Double doubles will be your double meat, double cheese, like a standard double cheeseburger, but they also have special, not so secret menu items, which you can actually go on their app, check out, which we'll put a link to that in the comments. So we got ourselves a couple of double doubles, animal style, a double double, no onion, no spread, some fries, and a medium drink. $28.93, not bad for a nice dinner for 4 of us. We're gonna split, Christy and I are gonna split with that double double, animal style, one of those at least. We have our burgers and fries. We've got a couple of double doubles here, animal style, and then a double double for Lorelai without the sauce. Actually, that's hers right down there. No onions as well. And then we've got some order of fries, some extra sauce for those of us who want it, and of course some waters and drinks. Let's give these a try. I apologize in advance for the lighting, and the kids already said that these are yummy, but we're gonna give this a try. Again, got myself double double there, animal style, which honestly I don't remember what it was that's special about it, but looks like a lot of extra sauce in it. Let's give it a try. Definitely juicy burger, they make it fresh. I have had one of these before in Austin, Texas, but it's just something different to having it here in California. Really good. And now I'm gonna try one of these fries. I'm gonna steal here from our fry place. They were actually making these nice and fresh. The guy inside, Anthony was saying, he was cutting them fresh, so these are the best of the best you're gonna get. And those are good fries. Definitely a must visit when you're here in California. We just got out of our lift from In-N-Out, and we are here at the Disneyland Hotel. It's kind of late, so we're not gonna do the resort room tour for you tonight. We're gonna do that in the next video, which please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and hit that bell so you get the update when that video does come out. And make sure you like this video if you liked it so far in our journey, and make sure you share this with your friends as well. Take a look at that Disneyland Hotel runner there. And to the right, we have a statue of Mickey and Minnie. We're gonna go inside real quick. And we actually did the online check-in, so our room is ready. We are in the Frontier Tower, so we're not gonna have to go to the left there, which looks like where guest services is for check-in. But there's a detailed Disneyland map, which we'll take a look at more in our official resort tour. But we're gonna head this way towards the back of the building, which is gonna take us to the Frontier Tower. Oh, look at the theming here. So pretty. It's a world of magic. Definitely a Small World reference there. Look at that. It does give you a mixture of contemporary and Polynesian vibes with those torches out back there. There is a Trader Sam's here as well, so that's really cool. But if you look far out down that way, you'll see, I zoom in, the Disneyland logo with a couple of monorail slides that are there. Those are water slides for the pool. Very cool. To the left, I hear music going on, and you'll see There is a Sorcerer Mickey hat, and Downtown Disney is that way, as well as Disneyland Park and Disney's California Adventure. All right, we're ready to go to our room. And here's Adventure Tower, which is another one of the towers here at Disneyland Hotel. Frontier is gonna be that far back one there. And then to the right, you'll see the newest tower. Those are gonna be the villas at Disneyland Hotel, which are a Disney Vacation Club property. And check out the pool. Still running, I think they're open till 10. Not quite there yet, but look at that. And here is our home for the next few nights. Frontier Tower, named after the Frontierland area of Disneyland Park, and of course the Magic Kingdom as well. Let's go on in. I think I see something really cool inside. I will say there is some pretty cool theming in this building of the Frontier Tower, but take a look at this model of Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. It's actually scaled at 1/4 of an inch to a foot. So it is to scale. Very, very cool. Looking forward to riding that here soon. But I think it's time for us to head that direction to the elevators so we can go to our room. Since our room, again, is ready, and yeah, we're ready to go to some sleep. We do want to thank you for coming along on this journey with us as we travel across the country from our home in Tampa, Florida to California, and seeing the kids' first flight, going in and out, and getting here at the Disneyland Hotel at the Disneyland Resort in Anaheim, California. It's our first time. We're super excited, but super tired as well. I'd love to do the resort and room tour for you now and show you the room. But again, we're tired, we're ready to go to bed. But if you do want to see that, as well as any other videos we have planned for this series here while we're at Disneyland, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Go ahead and ring that bell for any future updates. And if you like the content you've seen so far, make sure you like the video. Let us know what your thoughts are, any improvements, anything you want to see, and even consider being a member of our channel, giving us some financial support, because without this channel and without your support, we couldn't do this. We love doing it, and we love doing it for you, to entertain you and of course educate you in some of those aspects as well. We have great videos coming up with that. We have POVs coming up, of course the resort and room tour. We're staying in another hotel here at Disneyland in a few days, so we'll also show you that as well, and another treat to go along with that. But until then, I hope you have a great, big, beautiful night, and we will see you real soon.